Let's figure out how many bonds carbon can form using the periodic table. Now, the periodic table is arranged into groups. As you can see, I have highlighted the group numbers in blue. And for the main group elements, that's groups 1 through 2 and 13 through 18, you can use the last digit of the group number, and that will tell you how many valence electrons that atom has. So let's go through this. So for anything in group 1, those electrons would have 1 valence electron. In group 2, 2. In group 13, because it's the last digit, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So because carbon is in group number 14, that means it has 4 valence electrons. So let's go ahead and draw that. So carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now atoms usually want a full outer shell, and that's usually 8 electrons because of the octet rule. So a happy carbon would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the carbon that we currently have only has 4 valence electrons, and it actually wants 8. So that means that carbon can form 4 other bonds because it wants to have 8 electrons in its outer shell to be happy. So this carbon is now happy because it has 8 electrons and it can form 4 bonds. So this is exactly why methane right here, the carbon forms 4 single bonds. As you can see, the carbon is involved with 4 single bonds. Here in the carbon dioxide, you can see the carbon is involved with 2 double bonds, but that adds up to 4 bonds. And then here, you can see that even though it's both a triple bond and a single bond, there's still 4 bonds connected to that carbon. So we now learned that carbon always wants to form 4 bonds in order to be happy and have that full octet.